Hey, equals math teachers. I just wanted to give you a little tip that might help you out with the start of your school year. Because I don't know about yours, but I know mine is a crazy start to the year. So this is just one less thing I have to stress over. So when you go into the share drive and you go to the alternate achievement data and curriculum resources for low incidence students, if you do not have access to that share drive, please send me an email and I'll make sure you get added in. When you get into that, I want you to find the data sheet. So here's the data sheet, and this has all the students in the district who are taking using equals math. We're going to look at our sample student today. All right, so our sample student, you can see this is the place where we put all of our information. The Meeville scores go here, the Readtopia scores go here, and our equals scores go here. There'll be more videos later on this year on how to put the information in. I want to just focus on the equals for right now. If you have a student that is new to you that has done equals in the past, you want to go to this document and you want to really focus in on this column right here, equals end of year chapter placement. So I know my kiddo is going to is a 5th grader, so I'm going to look back at his 4th grade year. And I go across, when they did the assessment, and here's the link to the assessment so I can actually take a look at it if I want. But the score from that assessment said chapter 5. So that's where I'm going to want to go ahead and start this student for the year. Sometimes there's notes left too. Like this teacher put a note that this student is a level 2. So remember, within equals, there are 3 different levels. There's a level 1, which has the most picture supports, level 2, which backs off those a little bit, and level 3, which has even fewer picture supports. I would definitely start at a level 2, get a feel for the student, and then make changes accordingly. So, equals users, I hope this helped you out a little bit as we start our 22-23 school year. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.